Have you ever wanted to have a trash can pull out underneath your sink? It's a great location for it. And look at the solution we have for being able to do that. Okay, so the biggest challenge with this installation is the pipe that's in the way. So your drain line comes out of your sink, and especially on a center sink, it's going to go straight back into a wall. So we're going to have to go in when we pull out all the cabinets and move the plumbing out of the way so that we can get the trash can slides in the correct location. Getting this trash can in the sink base is a great solution for a small kitchen when you're wanting to have storage and maximize your storage in your cabinets and get this trash can base out of the way. If you're interested in doing a bathroom or kitchen remodel, go to tampakitchenandbath.com or visit our social media sites.